stop doing these 2 things to deaf people. Number 1, do not turn away in the middle of a conversation. Whether you are signing or you're communicating orally, looking away shows you're not interested and definitely not paying attention to the deaf person. This is confusing and insulting. Make sure that you're keeping eye contact. And if something is happening that's catching your attention, let them know before you turn away. And number 2, at no point should you ever put your hands on a deaf person to hold them still. This is particularly true in emergencies when people seem to think it's okay to hold their non-dominant hand in a show of support. They need their hands, so let them go. And don't even think about grabbing someone's chin to make them look at you. This is super rude. You would not put your hand over somebody's mouth. You're definitely going to not restrain this deaf person's body. Don't do it.